spend less time formatting your Amazon KDP books within all of that. Guys, this video is for all my Amazon KDP subscribers. So if you're into Amazon KDP or any type of book writing, this video is for you. So welcome to Everyday Good channel, where we learn how to make money easily with our smartphones. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a particular site that is going to help you all in formatting your books easily without doing this the manual regular method. Okay, so I'm just going to head over to my browser now, and I'm going to be showing the name of this site, and I'm going to show you how you can use this site. So guys, we are here on my Chrome browser, and this is the name of the site. The name of the site is Reedsy, Reedsy. So I'm just going to click on it to show you what it looks like. So guys, this is the site and this is what it looks like, reedsy.com. If you don't have an account, you're just going to sign up for a new account. So I already have an account, so I'm just going to log in. So you can sign up with your Google account or your email. I'm just going to go ahead to click on login here. So guys, this is my Reedsy account. This is my very first Reedsy account, and I'm going to be showing you how to use this account, though I'm not going to be formatting a book yet for this video. In my next video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can format a book, but I'm just going to show you how you can use this particular site in this video. Okay, so with this site, you can format your books, write your books. You can also add table of contents, click a table of contents. So I'm just going to click on books here, where it says books down here. It says books. I'm just going to click on that. I can also click on project to see the ongoing works. So I'm just going to click on books. So all these are my books I have, and these are their titles. So basically, this is how you can create a bookshelf. So these are my books here. So I'm just going to click on open your bookshelf. So I'm just going to click on that. As you can see, I have 31 books available in my bookshelf. Right here, I have 31 books. So, and these are the books I've written so far. Let's see if I can show you guys just one of it. Let's check this one here, how to build strong interpersonal relationships. Just going to click on that. So like I said earlier, with this site you can easily write your books, you can easily add chapters, you can easily add table of contents and clickable table of contents. So instead of using the normal Google Docs, which is not bad, but you can also do this more automatically. So if you have less time and you have other jobs, you can easily use this site too. So guys, this is it. This is what it looks like. This is a whole book, like a whole book. It has both your preface, acknowledgement and all that. So I'm just going to show you guys everything. So this first page here is the preface of the book. Then let me show you the whole contents. So I'm just going to click on this menu bar here, and you're going to be seeing the whole contents of the book. The first thing here is the preface of the book. We have the table of contents down here. You can also move the table of contents on how you want it. If I want this number 2 where it says self-conception to be number 3, I'm just going to hold and drag, and it's going to switch. So that's how it works. This site is very easy to use, and you can use this in both your mobile phone and your laptop. Okay, so let's just switch it back. Self-conception was here in number 2, so I'm just going to switch it back. Then let's click on self-conception. This is chapter 2. Then you have here where before the preface, which is the body of the book, we have the front matter, which includes the copyright, your table of contents and all that. So I'm just going to click on it. I have my copyright here, and this is copyright section. So for this particular book, my pen name was Dr. Caroline Gary for this particular book. Okay, I don't think I have this book on my Amazon KDP library. I wrote this book back then in 2022. So I just want to show you guys how to use this site to easily format. Then this is the copyright section. You have to just input your copyright claims, then your pen name and the edition and the year. Then the next one here is the table of content. I told you guys the table of content will automatically generate itself when you add your chapter 1, your chapter 2, your headings. It's just going to generate by itself. So these are the chapter and the headings. This is my preference, is self conception. So if I just click on it, it's just gonna automatically carry me to that particular chapter. This is how you can add your table of contents easily using this site. Then you can also edit your font matter by adding more tools. If you want to add acknowledgement and all that, you can also add it here in the font matter by just clicking on edit here. You can have your dedication page. You can toggle it on. Then you're going to be seeing a dedication page where you can add your dedication, your epigraph, and that's how you can add more. We have your forward. I have my preface and acknowledgement. So if I want to add acknowledgements to this particular book, I'm just going to toggle it on. Then you're going to be seeing an empty page for that, and that is how you can add your font matter. Then for the body of the book, as you can see, this book has a total of 6,638 words. So this is the back matter. This back matter, you can also edit it to add a thank you page and any last words you want to give to your readers. You can add it to this back matter. So that is how you can easily use this site to edit and format your books. So when you're done, you're just going to download it and you get yourself a professionally formatted book. And these tools here are going to be handy for your book formatting. And in the next video on book formatting, I'm going to be showing how to use these tools. I'm going to be formatting a book, and I'm going to be showing you guys how you can do this easily with a lesser amount of time instead of using the normal manual method. Okay, so you can also add as much chapters as you want. You can also add a manuscript. So here, this is a new chapter. So if you want to add a new chapter, you can just click on new chapter. If you want to add a new part, you can go ahead to click on a new part. Yes, and this site also offers spelling correction. So if your book has grammar issues, it's going to help you with that aspect. So when you're done formatting your book, what are you going to do next? You're going to be downloading your book. You just have to scroll down, then this download sign, you're going to click on it where it says export book, and I'm going to bring you here, and you have to like choose some things. If you want it print ready PDF or EPUB version, so I always tell you to go for the EPUB version for your Kindle reads. Then for your paperback, you go with the PDF. So if I want this book to be a paperback book, I'm going to leave it here on PDF. But if I want it to be on Kindle read, I will advise you to go for EPUB version, which is this one here. So that you have to like choose if you want your chapter numbers to be visible, if you want this every chapter of your book to start with drop caps, which is the first letter of the first word. If you want it to be big, if you want it to be bigger than the other, just like this one here, THE with the first T bigger than the others, that is what is called a drop cap. So you just have to choose what suits your book. And down here you have to choose your end note position. Do you want it at the end of each chapter or at the end of the book? Okay, so for this one here up here, my formatting options, for my formatting options, I want my first chapter to be visible. So I'm not going to click on it. I don't want to hide my chapter number, so I'm not going to be clicking on this one, but I want to use the drop cap, so I'm just going to click on it, and it's going to be showing this blue tick here. Then for my end positioning, I'm going to leave it at the end of the book. Then you want your end positioning to be at the end of each chapter, so a new chapter will start from a fresh page. Okay, so when you come down here, you have to choose a template, which is the Red Sea, the classic, or the Roman. So I'm just going to go ahead to leave it in the Red Sea version, and this is what it's going to be looking like. This is an example of what your book is going to be looking like based on the options you choose. So after you're done, you can click on backup to have a backup of this book. Then when you're done, you're going to click on export. So let's get back here. Then I'm going to be clicking on export book, and your book is going to be sent to your email, the email you used in signing up with this account. Okay, and that is it. So if I check in my email, I'm going to be seeing this book. So guys, we are here at Gmail. So this is it. This is the message from Red Sea Studios, and our book has been typeset. So I'm just going to click on it. So this is it. I'm just going to click on download your book, and you have your book ready to be uploaded to Amazon KDP. Okay, so I'm not going to click on download your book here. You can choose any of this. I'm going to go with Google Chrome, and just once. So guys, this is our book. It has finally downloaded, and we have to like extract it. I'm just going to click on it here to unzip it. So when you download it from Red Sea, it comes in a zip format. So you're going to be using the Archiver app to extract this book. So I'm just going to click on Archiver here. So I'm going to click on apply to all files here. Then I'm going to click on rename, so it will be easy to find. So guys, this is what the book is looking like, and this is the name of the author, Dr. Caroline Gary, and this is the title of the book. This is the copyright page. This is the copyright page, and this is the extra page I toggled on, but I didn't make use of it. This is the table of contents here. This is the acknowledgement, but I just toggled it on to show you guys, but I didn't input anything, so that's why it's empty. So I'm just showing how you can basically and easily format a book, be it Kindle version or paperback version. For this particular version, it is Kindle version, so therefore this table of contents won't be clickable. Actually, it did click. Okay, so you get the whole gist, right? You can easily format your book using this site, which is the Red Sea site. So this is the book. Let's get to the very bottom to see the conclusion. Yeah, so this is the conclusion, and this is how you have your book easily formatted, professionally formatted. This here is the drop card, like that we chose. This I anticipate, so you get it right. So this is it guys. This is how you can easily format your book easily using this Red Sea. So in the next video on formatting, I'm going to be actually formatting a book properly. So this is just to show you that this site exists and you can use it to save your time. But if you want to format your books automatically, and also want to add table of contents, basically how you can add table of contents manually using Google Docs, ensure you watch this video on your top left corner. And thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video.